Today we're going to make a Japanese dish called Oyakodon. First we're going to start some rice and get some dashi going. Our kombu kelp and katsuobushi. This is bonito tuna flake. Bring that kelp to a simmer, then we can pull it. And in goes the katsuobushi. Simmer that for just about 30 seconds or a minute. Cut up some green onions. Here's a white onion. You can use really any kind of onion. Nice good sized chunks. We want them to hold together and not get too soft as it simmers in that broth. Chicken here, cut it nice and thin. I usually like to cut on a bias, and that gives us some larger pieces that are still very nice and thin, so they'll cook really quickly, be nice and tender. Strain out our dashi. We're going to save most of that for later, and just some of that, a little bit, in our saucepan here. Get our liquid seasonings going in. Here's our soy sauce. See how you like it, and say a little bit more in there. Just keep tasting as you go. Get that exactly dialed in how you like it. And get those eggs ready here. This is our garnish. Stir things up, give it a taste. Very good. Black pepper and some sugar in there. In goes that egg. Guide it around, try to make a nice thin layer, or at least get it evenly spread. Just cook it a little bit, let that egg kind of start to set. Rice is ready. Go ahead and fluff that up a little bit. Just serve that up over our rice. Remember to garnish with that green onion, also shichimi togarashi if you have it. With that, our dish is ready. Thanks for watching. Please do leave a comment if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If not, let me have it, and have a great day.